Hey everybody, welcome back to our virtual classroom. We're going to go ahead and get started here. We have another spelling phonics review lesson for today. All right, but first we're going to go ahead and get started with our oral drills like we normally do. Say duck. Now say duck, but instead of d, say p. Puck. Good work. Say pack. Now say pack instead of p, say t. Tack. Good job. Say sick. Now say sick instead of s, say r. Rick. Good work. Say back. Now say back instead of b, say s. Sack. Good job. Say lick. Now say lick instead of o, say p. Yeah, pick. Good job. All right, we're going to look at our spelling rule now. We're going to look at the letters C-K. When you see C-K together, they're going to say k. It's going to be two letters, but we're only going to say one sound. K. Everybody say C-K, clock, k. Say that one more time. C-K, clock, k. Good work. Here's the rule with this, with the CK letters. They are going to come at the end of a word or syllable that has a lonely short vowel. The poor vowel is so lonely. There's no other sound with it. So if you hear the k there, then you know it has to be CK if it's a lonely vowel, okay? And it only comes at the end of a word or syllable with a lonely short vowel. All right, let's go ahead and look at some of these words. So we have this word here. We're going to go ahead and tap it out together and read it together. Ready? S-A-K, sack. Good job. Do you see how that vowel A is lonely? There is no other sound right after the A except the k sound. So we have to use the CK to help protect that lonely vowel. All right. Right now, what I need you to do is get out your phoneme, grapheme mapping boxes. If you need to pause the video so that way you can get those out and ready, please do so. It looks like this. You need to get your cubes or counters or whatever you're using for your top row. Go ahead and get all of that out and get it set up. If you need to pause the video, that's fine. All right, I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word. Then we're going to tap the word out together. Then we're going to pull the cubes down for the sounds in the word. And then we're going to write the letters for the sounds in the word in the bottom row. Let's go ahead and get started. Say duck. Let's go ahead and tap duck. D-a-k, duck. Good job. Let's go ahead and pull our cubes down to match the sounds in the word duck. D-a-k, duck. Good job. How many sounds does the word duck have in it? Yes, it has 3 sounds in the word duck. Let's go ahead and write the letters for the sounds in the word duck. D. What letter comes first? D. D. Good job. U. K. There's the k sound. And that U right there is a vowel and it's lonely. So what are we going to use for our k sound? Yes, we're going to use CK because it's at the end of the word and it has a lonely short vowel right there. Good work, everybody. So this word has 3 sounds. How many letters does this word have? It does. It has 4 letters. Remember, CK is 2 letters with 1 sound. Good job. All right, let's go ahead and clear our boards off and get ready for our next word. You're going to push your cubes up and erase the word duck. All right, everybody say kick. Let's go ahead and tap the word kick. Kick. Good job. Let's go ahead and pull our cubes down to match the sounds in the word kick. Kick. How many sounds does the word kick have in it? Yes, it has 3 sounds. I like when you're interacting with me and you're giving me the answers. Good job. All right, let's go ahead and write the letters that match the sounds in the word kick. The first sound is k. We know it's followed by I. Do you remember which k sound usually goes before I? Yes, letter K. K, I. Good job. There's another k sound. Remember, this one's at the end and it's following a lonely short vowel. What are we going to use? Yes, CK. Good job. All right, we have the word kick. Can you use your finger and follow along with your letters while we sound it out and make sure that we have all the correct letters that match the sound in this word? Ready? K, kick. Good work. Who can think of a sentence using the word kick? Everybody think of a sentence using the word kick. All right. Now I want you to tell me your sentence using the word kick. Just whisper it to me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Yes, great sentences using the word kick. Somebody said, I like to kick a ball in soccer. I used to play soccer when I was little, so that's a lot of fun. Good job. All right, somebody said, ooh, I kick the mat in karate class. Very cool. All right. Oh, I kick when I swim in the pool. You do? Yeah, you kick your feet. Good job. All right, let's go ahead and clear up our boards and get ready for the next word. Push your blocks up, erase your word. The next word that I want you to say is pack. Everybody say pack. Let's go ahead and tap the sounds in the word for pack. Pack. Let's pull our cubes down to match the sounds in the word pack. Pack. Good work. Let's write our letters to match the sounds. Ready? What letter? P. Yes, A. K. There's the k sound. Which k sound are we going to use here? Yes, we are going to use CK because it comes at the end of a word and it has the lonely short vowel. That poor A. It's a short A sound. It says ah, and it's so lonely. We have to use CK. Good job. I want everybody to think of a sentence using the word pack. All right, go ahead and tell me your sentences using the word pack. Yeah, I like to pack my lunch for school. My mom always packs my lunch for school. I got a new backpack for school. Very nice. You guys thought of some good sentences. All right, let's go ahead and get our boards ready for the new word. Push your cubes up, erase the word pack. Remember, if you need extra time, you may always pause the video. The next word that I want you guys to say is nick. Let's go ahead and tap nick. Nick. Let's pull our cubes down for those sounds. Nick. Let's write our letters for the sounds. What letter is that? N. Good job. Why is that a capital N? Did anybody else do that? Did you catch that? Yes, Nick is a name, so we need a capital N at the beginning. What letter? Yes, I. You are correct. CK, because who can tell me the rule by now? Who can tell it to me? Yeah, it comes at the end of the word with a short, lonely vowel. If you guys say it like that, it makes the vowel sound so sad. He's so sad that he's lonely. All right, let's go ahead and get ready for our next word. Push your cubes up, erase the word Nick. Now what I want everybody to say is pick. Say pick. Let's go ahead and tap pick. Pick. Now let's pull our cubes down for the sounds in the word pick. Pick. Good work. Let's go ahead and write our letters. You guys are doing a great job with this lesson. I'm very proud of you. What letter is that? Yes, letter P. Yes, I. Yes, we are going to use CK. Why? It's at the end of the word with a lonely short vowel. Poor little guy. All right, who can use the word pick in a sentence for me? Okay, tell me your sentences. Yeah, I like to pick flowers for my mom. Very nice. What kind of flowers do you pick? Ah, dandelions. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and get started on our next part. Our next part is I'm going to show you words on the board. I'm going to give you a few seconds for you to read those words, and then I will read the words so that way you know if you got it correct. If you can read it without sounding it out, go ahead and read it all together blended. If you need to say all the sounds and tap it out, that's fine. All right, go ahead with this one. Duck. Kick. Lick. Back. Luck. Buck. Sick. Pack. Tack. Sack. Wow, you guys are doing great. Good job. I am proud of you. All of you guys worked hard today. Thanks for joining me. I look forward to our next lesson together.